So guys, meron tayo nakitang wild strawberries or mock strawberries. Ito guys, oh. Pitasin natin. Oh, di ba? A little wild strawberries, and there's more there. So this guy, this wild mock strawberries guys are edible. Okay? Ito pa, oh, yan pa siya dito. Edible. Try natin guys. Lasang strawberries guys, na strawberries na matabang. Matabang yung lasa nyo guys. Yan. Or tinatawag din ng iba to guys ng Indian strawberries. Yeah. Yung texture niya parang strawberry guys, pero matabang.